The very nice.
Hello kids, today we will connect the dots and make amazing animals out of it. So let's start. Here I can see one eye, some dots. So let's connect the dots and find out which animal is hiding behind the dots. We will connect the dots according to the numbers. Wow! It's a whale! Here I can see 2 eyes, 1 mouth, some wheels. So which animal it could be? Let's connect the dots and find out. Wow, it's a sheep. Here I can see 1 eye. So let's connect the dots. Wow, it's a rhinoceros. Here I can see some leaves, 2 eyes, 1 small ear. So which animal it could be? Yes, let's connect the dots. Wow! It's a tiger. Here I can see some carrots, 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth. Yes, let's connect the dots. Wow, it's a rabbit. Here I can see 1 tree, some leaves, 2 eyes, 1 nose, mouth and 2 ears. So, which animal it could be? Okay, let's connect the dots. Wow, it's a monkey. Nice. 1 sun, some grass, 1 eye, 1 mouth. So, let's connect the dots. Wow, it's a kangaroo. Here I can see some horseshoes, 1 eye, 1 mouth. Yes, let's connect the dots. Wow, it's a horse. Very nice. Here I can see some leaves, one eye, one nose, one mouth. Let's connect the dots. Wow, it's a goat. Here I can see some flower, one eye. Let's connect the dots. Wow, it's an elephant. Great job. Here I can see some bones, two eyes, one mouth. Can you guess the animal? Let's connect the dots. It's a dog. Good job. Here I can see milk, some spot, two eyes, nose, mouth. Let's connect the dot and see the animal behind the dots. It's a cow. Wow. Here I can see some palm tree, sun, mouse, eyes. Let's connect the dot and see the animal. Wow, it's a camel. Here I can see some fishes, two eyes, mouth and nose. Let's connect the dots and see the animal. It's a cat. Good job. Isn't it amazing? Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.